start with the dates first. So NMAT registration starting on September 14th and will end by November 20th. You have to apply between these dates. And in case you are late, by November 30th also you can apply by paying extra fees, 500 rupees extra plus taxes. So 2000 is the fees for that. I'll explain that in 2 minutes. So scheduling can be done between September 14th to December 2nd. Between these dates you can schedule anytime, and you can reschedule your date till January 17th. And exam delivery date is from November 4th to January 30th. So this time they have delayed the dates from November 4th to December to January 30th at the exam date. And you can retake the exam after November 5th to January 17th. These are the dates you can re-register, and retake the scheduling from these dates. So you can give the exam 3 times between November 14th to January 30th. So this time the schedule is quite late because of the coronavirus situation. Yep. Fees for the program is 2000 rupees plus taxes. Late fees 2500, and if you want to retake the exam again you have to buy 2000 to pay 2000 rupees. And if you want to apply for Narsee Monjee, many people are applying only for Narsee Monjee, you have to pay 2000 rupees extra. Additional 200 rupees for reports beyond the top 5 first 5 colleges. So this is works in GMAT. In India this does not work, because in India the colleges will contact you. In America, in GMAT, you have to pay extra per report. In India, the moment you give the NMAT exam, your database is shared with all the colleges, and all the colleges which are accepting NMAT score, which I will give you the list in some time, will be calling you back for that. Okay, so we don't need to do anything about this. And in case you have to reschedule, you have to pay 1100 rupees. Okay, so these are the complete dates of the NMAT exam. I've created this NMAT ka sheet which you can download from the link cetkking.com/NMAT. I'll give the link in 2 minutes, where I given the complete breakup of the new paper pattern, the main 12 pillars, and the complete syllabus of the NMAT exam, each topic by topic. And whenever you give a mock, I want you to put your scores here, how much you're scoring in each of the section. So you can download this sheet so that you can know where you stand. And this is a complete syllabus of NMAT. This is a complete preparation strategy of NMAT. Everything is there in this sheet. Link for the sheet is given on cetkking.com/NMAT. That is our main page. This is your 1-page stop. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe so they can get all the updates. So point number 1, the pattern have changed. There's a new paper pattern for the NMAT exam. So every topic is now 36 questions, 36. Total question 108 and 120 marks. Yeah. So total number of correct. Your target score is again 2100. Now the number of questions have gone down from 120 to 108. So I believe the cutoff will also reduce thoda sa. So there are 2 ways to look at this. Last year cutoff was 210, which can be your benchmark cutoff as per the last year paper pattern. This year paper pattern cutoff should be around 200. So this is the main contention. So what you can do, you can focus on this number as of now, because we don't know whether the total number will change or not. Yeah, so I'm keeping cutoff as 210 as your target score. So you can download the sheet from here, strategy sheet. Yeah, so that you can check out where you stand. So we have this new paper pattern, and I have also given the old paper pattern when the number of questions used to be 120. Then the cutoff used to be 210. Okay, now come the main thing, NMAT colleges and their rankings. Now what I've done is I've given you 2 cutoff. One is the expected 2020 cutoff based on the new paper pattern. Yeah, all I've done is I've reduced 10 marks from everything. 210 ki jagah 200, 200 ki jagah 190. So this is a tentative new cutoff for the new paper pattern based on the new paper pattern. So you can check out all the details from cetkking.com/Mumbai. Yeah, you can base your preparation on the basis of the new cutoff, or to be on the safer side, let's keep preparing for the old cutoff only. 210 for Mumbai, because they can normalize the score to 210 also. So Narsee Monjee Mumbai, the main college 210, Narsee Monjee Bangalore 200, Narsee Monjee Hyderabad 200, XIMB 200, Bocconi 170 may be called out, but we are keeping the target. I am keeping the targets thoda high. This is not the last year cutoff. This is your targets. Yeah, so targets have to be thoda high. IBS will even give you a call at 170, 150 also kabhi kabhi to, but we're keeping at 180. That should be a target. And Alliance at 160. Yeah, you can check out the college BSc Shivnida. These are all the colleges which are accepting NMET scores. All the colleges, list of all the colleges which are accepting NMET score is given here. Okay. Now the quant section of the NMET exam. This is the syllabus for the quant section. Syllabus of the NMET exam. Within NMET quant section syllabus, DI I'm expecting 15 questions. This is as per the new paper pattern. Data sufficiency 15 question, profit and loss, all the topics 2 question. You can either download that sheet which I've given on the top. You can either download this sheet for the complete details. Yeah, or you can just follow the site. Follow here and you can pause the video and you can check it out. Total 36 question in the quant section. Half is DS and half is quant. So half of the quant section is quant and half of the quant section is DIDS. Same way, moving to the logic section, grouping based question, everything is there. All the topics you can touch upon like CET. So total 36 question. And from the verbal section, again half the question are based on grammar and reading based. Half the question are based on reading, para jumble, para completion, everything. So para jumble 5 question, RC 8 question out of 36. This is the new paper pattern. This is the new syllabus for the new paper pattern. Okay. So we are launching our program for Narsi Monji. In case you want to join our program, the numbers are given in the description box or will be coming at the end of the page as well. You can check out the link. So we have covered the cutoff and everything. So in case you want to join our program, you are most welcome to join the programs at CET King. Alright, all the best. International colleges are accepting NMET score. Yep, in South Africa, this is the list of colleges which is there. 7 colleges in South Africa. In Philippines, this is there are 5 colleges. Asian Institute of Management is the known name for me at least. Nigeria, this is the list of colleges which are there. You can check out the details here on our site cetking.com/nmet. If you go to the link, you'll find the complete details about the cutoffs, everything you want to know about the NMET exam.